Welcome to an introduction to dynamic rules. Dynamic rules are exclusive to Moodle Workplace. Dynamic rules unlock the capability for a wide range of automations. Once you have created a dynamic rule, you can duplicate and amend based on different requirements. There are many different conditions that you can use to group users together. Here are a few examples. You may have a new induction course that needs to be assigned to users that were created on your site after a particular date. You may wish to send a notification to users that have not completed a course. You can group users together by data fields such as department, job, cohort or tenant to allocate specific courses to these users. Here are a few examples of the actions available. Enroll users onto relevant courses, certifications or programs. Celebrate a user's achievement by issuing a badge or certificate. Communicate with a user by sending a notification. Allocate a user to a tenant. Add or remove a user from a cohort. Now we're going to explore what this looks like within Moodle Workplace. Here you can see a list of your existing dynamic rules. There are some that are not active and some that are active. We're going to create a new rule by clicking on New Rule. Here you can configure the conditions. So in this example, we want to send a notification to the consultancy circle if they haven't completed the Safety at Work course. So we've selected the department as the consultancy circle and chosen the course Safety at Work. Then we go into Actions and we've chosen to create a notification. Add the subject and the body of the notification. Once you're happy with the rule that you've created, you can enable the rule. It will then appear in your Dynamics rule list as an active dynamic rule. And here you can choose whether you want to archive it, duplicate it, or view the report to see what actions have been created based on this rule. Why not explore how dynamic rules could streamline administration and enhance user experience today? If you would like a consultant to review and recommend automations for your site, please contact your account manager.